Can I use my CVV number for online purchases?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing whether you can use your CVV number for online purchases. It's an important topic to understand to ensure the safety and security of your online transactions. So, let's dive right in.
What is a CVV number?
To begin, let's clarify what a CVV number is. CVV stands for Card Verification Value, and it is a 3- or 4-digit code that is typically found on the back of your credit or debit card. It is used as an additional security measure to verify that you physically possess the card during online transactions.
Purpose of the CVV number.
The primary purpose of the CVV number is to provide an extra layer of security for online purchases. When you enter your CVV number during an online transaction, it helps confirm that you have the physical card in your possession. This helps protect against fraudulent activities, as the CVV is not typically stored on the magnetic stripe or chip of the card.
Using the CVV number for online purchases.
Yes, you can and should use your CVV number for online purchases. In fact, most reputable online merchants require you to enter the CVV number during the checkout process. This is to ensure that you are the legitimate cardholder and reduce the risk of unauthorized transactions.
Protecting your CVV number.
While using your CVV number for online purchases is necessary, it's important to take precautions to protect this sensitive information. Here are a few tips to keep in mind. Never share your CVV number. Avoid sharing your CVV number with anyone, whether through email, phone calls, or suspicious websites. Legitimate merchants will never ask for your CVV number outside of the secure payment process. Shop on secure websites. When making online purchases, ensure that you are shopping on secure websites. Look for the padlock symbol in the address bar and ensure the website's URL starts with https:// to indicate a secure connection. Keep your devices secure. Make sure your computer, smartphone, or tablet has up-to-date security software installed. Regularly update your operating system and applications to patch any security vulnerabilities. Check your statements. Regularly review your credit card or bank statements to identify any unauthorized transactions. If you notice any suspicious activity, contact your financial institution immediately. To wrap it up, using your CVV number for online purchases is both necessary and common practice. It provides an additional layer of security during the checkout process, helping to protect against fraud. Remember to keep your CVV number secure and follow best practices to ensure a safe and secure online shopping experience. Stay vigilant and happy shopping! Thank you for watching today's video. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content. If you have any further questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, take care and stay safe.